Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, guys? So we got some great news. First off, we have something very special in this case that we're going to be unboxing later on in the video, but time for some bad news. I'm pretty sure I broke the supercharger in the Drift Cat. Let me show you guys what it sounds like. Up the city alignment, throw this thing on the lift, inspect it, see what's going on. We're also going to change the oil, and then I'll unbox the new triple disc clutch I got from Mantic Clutches. Huge shout out to Mantic. Let's hop in this thing and drive it over there. And the strange part is there hasn't been any change in performance whatsoever. No lights on the dash. There's no telltale signs except for noise, which is kind of a good thing. It makes me feel better, but you can still hear that shit. It sounds crazy. Like, it still sounds good. It doesn't sound crazy at all. And I'm hoping that noise where it sounds like air is escaping is just a gasket or an exhaust leak. Something simple, not a hole somewhere. All right, let's throw this thing on the lift and figure out what I broke. Throwing this thing on the lift now. So yeah, I don't know if it's an exhaust leak where the air is coming out or what. Mid pipe bolt is loose. That thing got smashed a little bit. So maybe that bolt being loose is like pushing air upwards, and that's what that noise is coming from the engine bay, but I don't know. We'll see after we tighten that up. Tighten both the mid pipe bolts. Still sounds like it's leaking a little bit.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, it's exhaust.
Hella leaking?
Yeah.
Oh, the air?
Yep.
Oh yeah. It's like puffing exhaust out of there. Gonna have to grab some gaskets. Gaskets for the mid pipe. Gotta get some gaskets to fix that exhaust leak. Now we're doing an alignment. Then we're going to put some good AMSOIL in. Shout out to AMSOIL. Coming very soon, he's gonna have one of these lifts open so we can start manual swapping the Hellcat. Very soon, huh? Yep. Very soon. This thing is almost done.
It's all done.
It is all done?
It's all done. It needs to be.
Sheesh. Very close to getting the Hellcat in here for the manual swap. It's coming.
Stay tuned with the new name.
Yeah, new name coming very soon. A quick rebranding of the shop, which is going to be a perfect touch. Alignment was a little off. Let's take a look at this oil. Doesn't look too bad. A little dark. How those tires look, Danny? Might be time for some new tires. Got some sitting at Richmond Tire right now. I just need to get this thing fixed. Put 0W40 in the Hellcat and 2050 in the Camaro. A little bit of a difference. That gold, liquid gold. Make sure you guys go follow my guy Danny on Instagram. Yes, sir. Supercharger is leaking. Yeah, that's that air I was talking about. The gasket around. Never seen that before with a Hellcat, but Yeah, that Supercharger does not sound happy whatsoever. I think I have an extra one at Overkill, but I'm not sure. I hope so. So I guess right here, there's supposed to be a bolt that is no longer there. It should be right here, which is almost guaranteed where the air is escaping from. Exhaust gaskets, one bolt. I'm gonna see if I can get that other supercharger. Just throw the supercharger on here when we're doing the manual swap and shit. I'm also gonna be doing a couple other things while we're doing the manual swap, but let's head to the house and unbox that clutch, that new Mantic triple disc, and show you guys what we've been waiting on. All right, back at the house now. So let's unbox this clutch that we've been waiting for so patiently. Some of you guys haven't. Let's open this thing up. Once again, huge shout out to Mantic Clutches, because they're one of the only companies that wanted to work with me on the manual swap for the Drift Cat. So huge shout out to my guy Jeff. Extremely appreciated, more than I can explain. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and I'll show you guys the quality that Mantic Clutches produces. Came in this beautiful case. Beautiful case. You would have thought there was like some crazy red camera in here, some other stuff, you know. So, pop these latches open. Ooh, beautiful setup case. I could put the clutch in there that is in that box. It was shipped separate, and that's because they don't want anything damaged, which is very smart. It comes with everything that I need, from the alignment tools, new hardware, spacers, step-by-step instructions, because we're a little special. Perfect size shirt. Huge shout out to Mantic Clutches, but that's not what we're here to see. What we're here to see is in this box. Wow. Beautiful. Let's start pulling this paper out. Beautiful aluminum flywheel in there. Triple disc clutch. So this clutch was specifically made for me. So once again, huge shout out Jeff. This isn't just your normal triple disc Hellcat Challenger from Mantic. There's a couple new parts in here that I'm R&D'ing, so I'm really excited to test those. Beautiful red anodizing. We don't need this where we're going. Ooh. Fresh aluminum. Good triple disc clutch. Shout out to Mantic. Beautiful flywheel. Oh yeah. So the last piece to the puzzle is finally here. We can get started on the swap very soon. Like, I have the TR6060 right here. I have everything that I need. I got the wiring harness. I got the diff. We'll need a drive shaft. Still don't have a drive shaft because it's going to be length specific. I gotta measure it once we get it on the ground. But this is finally here. I'm so happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We got good and bad news. Missing a bolt on the supercharger. It just backed out apparently. I'm not sure what happened because it still has threads. The threads aren't messed up or anything, but that bolt is gone. Don't know where that went. So we'll replace that bolt. We'll fix the exhaust leak with some new gaskets. We'll get started on this clutch very soon. I can't wait. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. We're gonna get started on that really soon. So make sure you subscribe. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as you can either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last.
Kind of good there, my guy.
You know what I'm talking about? That phrase is trademark, not produced for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.